The base Integra is expected to cost roughly $30,000, according to Acura. The A-SPEC model, which adds sharper bodywork, 18-inch wheels, and unlocks the availability of the 6-speed manual transmission, which isn't available on the base model, is the one to buy until we know for sure that a high-performance Type S is in the works. If a sporty Type S variant is in the works, we expect it to be substantially more expensive than a conventional Integra, but Acura has remained snugly about it thus far. Inspired by previous Integras, most notably the original 5-door derivative, the Integra's coupe-like lines are attractive, but the extra pair of doors also makes it more practical than a traditional coupe. It rides on standard 17-inch alloy wheels, but 18 and 19-inch wheels are available. Visually, this is a more emotional design than that of the Civic Si, and more cohesive than the ILX. All models have a power moonroof, dual-eye LED headlights, and smart entry, while the A-SPEC has a sporty appearance package and LED fog lights. Under the hood is a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 200 horsepower and 192 pounds-foot of torque. That's just enough power to have fun, and besides, a Type S model is on the way. On the range topper, an adaptive damper system is standard. A continuously variable transmission with paddle shifters is standard, but the A-SPEC can be had with a 6-speed manual that features rev matching and a limited slip differential. As we mentioned previously, it's unfortunate that the manual isn't offered on the base trim. At 185.8 inches long, 72 inches wide, and 55 inches tall, the Acura Integra is larger in every key dimension than the Civic Si, but matches it in height. Although the interior design is clearly similar to the Civics, the Integra distances itself from the Honda by using much nicer materials. The headroom at the back is a bit tight for taller occupants, but otherwise, average-sized passengers should be comfortable. The base Integra comes with a 7-inch touchscreen, an 8-speaker sound system, heated front seats, an 8-way power driver's seat, and synthetic leather upholstery is standard. The standard 10.2-inch Acura Precision cockpit looks great, with clearly legible instruments that haven't been over-designed. The A-SPEC doesn't add many interior features, but it does have some attractive red stitching scattered around the cabin and subtle but sporty A-SPEC badging applied to elements like the steering wheel. The A-SPEC with technology package is loaded with extras like a 9-inch touchscreen, interior LED ambient lighting, a 16-speaker L Studio 3D sound system, a 5.3-inch head-up display, wireless charging, and AcuraLink. Acura has upgraded its standard AcuraWatch safety suite with a new single-view camera system that has a wide field of view and a long range. The collision mitigation braking system can distinguish between pedestrians, bicycles, and other vehicles. Adaptive cruise control with more natural responses and blind spot monitoring are also equipped. With reservations now open for the Integra, deliveries will begin this spring. For the first 500 customers, there is the chance to claim a limited edition NFT. The 2023 Acura Integra is serving the same role in the lineup as the original model that helped launch the brand 3 decades ago by bringing in the next generation of driving enthusiasts, said Emil Corker, Assistant Vice President, Acura National Sales. For this and much more, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.